R&R job, here we go. So, moral to the story, we built the unit, customer put it in, it doesn't work, and it's fried. So, a lot of wiring, just kind of everywhere. You can go see our first video. But I'm going to drain my fluids, and the drain plug hasn't even been taken out at all. Looks like fill plug might have been taken out at one point in time. But if he took it all the way out, I guess he didn't drain the fluid and then he just topped it off. I don't know. Y'all stay tuned, let's find out. Okay, so I broke it loose now. We're gonna go ahead and see what the fluid looks like. Oh my. Yeah, he just did it. I mean, if this thing was drained and filled back up, it should have fresh fluid in it, cherry red. Or if you're using an Auto Track from the dealer, it's gonna be a blue, ocean blue, a dark ocean blue. So, yep, here we go. Okay, so we got our pan off, and this was a brand new unit 8 months ago. And it is toast. Toast. Get back with you. Here we go. About to get our transfer case down. Have to get my old man over there. Don't tell him I called him my old man. He might see this in the video. Uh-oh. Just be quiet. Shh. Maybe he might not notice. But anyways, check this out. So, got some converter bolts out. Looks like they were a little stressed going in the hole. And you see what I had to do to get them out. Yippers. Had to get the torch, heat them up. Looks like they were cross-threaded a little bit when they went in the hole. And they weren't gonna come out if you didn't put a little heat on them. Stay with me, here we go. Well, here we go. Got it out. I mean, not even gonna say anything. But, real magic's about to happen on that autopsy table. So y'all guys get prepared. And yeah, you heard me, autopsy table. Tear down coming soon.